Look what we have here, Victoria's Secret. Right. Sue, did you have anything you wanted to add? You know, when I asked Wally if he wanted to go shopping with me, he said, well, Lena, there's a couple stores I wanted to look at. Oh, I didn't even think he'd be looking at a store like this. I'm kind of embarrassed, but Wally's eyes are pretty big as he's looking at stuff. So I'm pretty excited about some of the things we're going to be bringing home with us tonight. Maybe the winter won't be quite so cold.
Hey, we met Lena and Oli are all excited here about Victoria's Secret, and this is why. They were drawn, and we were drawn also to this great store with this bright pink, screaming pink wall. Like, I mean, it was from one end of the store to the other. And in the window they had these great signs that said, very sexy collection, limited edition. So make sure you come in. And when we got to the store, we were absolutely surprised by the number of people that were in there. They had these little beehives of displays, lots of customer services. They came up to us and gave us a big smile and a greeting that said, welcome to the store. And I walked through the store, it was like endless around the store. And there was guys and girls, young and old, all shopping there, buying. And the sales reps are doing a great job saying, you like this bra? How about these panties? I mean, it was a great upsell. So then I kept walking around the store because I couldn't really see where the cash registers were. But they have this line, this bank of 4 or 5 tellers, well, sales reps, whatever. And they were busy, like 3 people deep, busier than ever then, selling, and people were obviously buying lots of stuff at the store. So we had a chance to talk to one of the sales reps, and she said that Victoria's Secret is one of the places that's sought after for employment because they emphasize 2 things. They emphasize teamwork among the sales rep, and I presume, you know, it's not all commission based on one person, but they sort of share the commissions maybe. But the second neat thing, and get this, it's the focus is on the customer experience. And so there was a very cool experience. And so we met Lena and Oli in the mall as we were walking around, and Lena's going to tell you the 5 things that we found at Victoria's Secret and how they scored. Lena, take it away.
Oh, hello, I'm Lena. Oli and I, we went to Victoria's Secret. So the 5 things why we went there, I think Oli had a couple more. But number 1 is a curb appeal. Oh, yeah, that got a number 5. It looked very good, and we wanted to go in. And number 5, the tagline, that was another 5-star. Oh, very, very nice. Well, that's customer service. When Oli and I walked in, they were so nice, and they took us to show things, and I was a little embarrassed, but Oli kept saying, oh yeah, Lena, you go over there, that looks real pretty. And so we got a 5 on that. And then upsell, oh, I thought I was going to walk out with 1 thing, but oh no, she looked at Oli, the person helping us, and Oli says, we need to buy more, and she showed us more. So we walked out with 2 bags and not just 1. And then the conversion,
buying, actually selling.
Oh, and then, oh, I'm sorry, and then actually buying the stuff, it was really nice, and I can tell you this, oh, our home this winter in Minnesota won't be quite so cold.
Thank you very much, Lena.
Oh, thank you for asking.
And so Victoria's Secret, of the 3 stores that we went to, was certainly the winner.